Today we are going to discuss Warren Buffett investment methods and tell you some important tips. If you want to trade like Warren Buffett, join me in this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go.
Well, I'm Meg. As you know, we want to talk about Warren Buffett's investment tips. He's the fourth richest person in the world. Well, first I want to say which companies Warren Buffett doesn't invest in. The first is company's initial public offering, because it knows they have a bubble, so it tries to eliminate the initial public offering to its bubble and then invest. Second is doesn't buy when the company's share goes up a lot, because it knows it's likely to go down the same amount. The third is doesn't buy with stock ads. After understanding the companies that don't buy, we came to ways of Warren Buffett investing in companies. First is doesn't invest accidentally and make a long-term investment. Second is invest in companies that we need on a daily basis, such as bread, dairy, and etc. Third is famous brands, because people like to buy products that they have heard, worn, or eaten before. In general, if the brand is strong, customers will buy whatever the company produces, that is. It should invest in companies that people need, such as Coca-Cola, Gillette, and etc. like them. Well, friends, so that you don't get tired, let's go and see a famous waterfall for a few seconds and come back with energy. Well, with full energy, let's start and let's continue. Well, now we come to some of Warren Buffett's advice. Before that, I want to tell you a difference between a shareholder and stakeholder. Shareholders are individuals or units that have at least one share of company. But the beneficiary is more comprehensive than the shareholder, which includes individuals or units that are affected by strong or weak performance of the company. So all shareholders are beneficiaries, but all beneficiaries are not shareholders. Warren Buffett's first correctness is to avoid pyramid schemes, because it is a scam that forces people to invite their friends to make a profit. But this is not the case, and it is a detriment of the inviter. Then the second piece of advice is to consider ideas that will be influenced by others.
And Warren Buffett's third and final piece of advice is to always be positive instead of negative for happiness and life. Second is be appreciative. Third is visualize our best. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget like, subscribe and comments. And if you like our channel, you can watch other videos. I put two important videos here, and you can click and watch them. Goodbye and bye till another video with another topic.